Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum is currently holding its support level, and I think Ethereum has a good chance here to push or to put a that C wave in that we've been talking about. I'm not so convinced anymore. I looked at it again that this is really here a 5-wave move up. Yeah, so the 5-wave move within a 5-wave move. I think if it pushes higher, ideally it pushes to around 1260, ideally even higher, but 1260 would be sort of the minimum I would expect here before breaking down. If it really goes all the way up to 1300, I can't say at this stage. There's a chance, but my concerns are, and that's why I'm saying I'm not sure how high Ethereum will go. I think it can make at least one more squiggle here to the upside. And then we at least have an impulse and we can count it as a C wave, even if it doesn't come very high. But I'm concerned because Bitcoin doesn't really look good on this way up. Yeah, it looks very corrective. It's a slightly different structure than Bitcoin. I'm going to talk about that in the ETH video, in the Bitcoin video. But yeah, I mean, at the moment for Ethereum, it's important, very important that it's now holding here this yellow support area that I did define in the I can't remember, was it in the previous video or did I do it on Telegram, Discord? I think in the video. Certainly what is important is if we measure now the high, here the length of the third wave, yeah, then we get this FIB area between 1206 and 1214. And all it's doing at the moment is probably an ABC and it's probably coming down, maybe one more leg down and it's coming to 1210, 1209. Hitting the 38.2% FIB level. Even if it comes down a bit lower, it could still be a wave 4, but it should not drop below 1206. Below 1206, this is getting, again, unreliable. Ideally, it's holding this, and then it can put another high in. But yeah, then we're already getting here to the range highs. And the question is then, do we then come down, hold support in a wave 2? Because this could be a 1. Then we come down in wave 2. That's one option. We will need to see if we see a reversal signal up here, and then we could come down and have a chance to hold the 78.6% retrace. That would be around, I'm just making assumptions here, would be around 1193. As long as we're holding that level, we can still move higher in a third wave and would find support then in 4 and move higher in 5, and that would be a wave C. But I don't see this going higher than 1300. If it goes higher than 1300, it is the more bullish case that we've got here. But at the moment, we are still in the range. Please remember that we have not broken out of the range, and be ready for a move down as soon as we hit the range highs here. Yeah, we need to see, we just need to see what the structure will be then on the way down. I mean, this currently looks impulsive to the upside. Yeah, so I have hope that this is really an impulse, that this is a wave 1 probably, and we would then come down in an ABC pattern in a wave 2. And then we could turn around possibly here in a third wave. And we see how high we eventually go. But then if we find support here in a wave 2, let's say, what did I say, 1193. I mean, it doesn't need to go down that low, but let's say we come down that low. Then we could look possibly here at a target for the third wave up there at around 1256. 1.618 extension, then a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. Yeah, I mean, we get to the 1260, 1270 level. I think that would not be unrealistic. Important is, as I said, that we are now holding that support area here in yellow. If we do not hold it now, we may come down and lose support and break down straight away. Because this is also what for Bitcoin is not unlikely. So therefore, I'm looking here at ETH and think if Bitcoin gives the general direction, how high do we really go, right? So always important here to be flexible, to adapt, because we are just in a corrective pattern. The chart is extremely difficult, extremely choppy at the moment. I think we have a chance to push a bit higher as long as we hold the yellow area. And even if we, if we hold it, then there should be a stronger retracement, and this will be the moment of truth. Okay. So I'll keep you updated, but there is not much more to add at the moment. Just wanted to give you a quick update after the daily candle close. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.